the heat press, turn on your Cricut maker. And I do have my laptop over here. We have Cricut Design Space. I know a lot of people have asked me before, how do you get Cricut Design Space? And to find out where you can get vinyl from, I recommend I'm gonna heat press the cross first and then the words. If you're looking for a graphic designer for your clothing brand, here you go, man. YouTube, man. Y'all, look, I almost forgot about y'all with this video, but however, I want to say thank y'all for 20,354 subscribers on the channel. We going up slowly but surely. 20.5K is finna get hit, then 21K, so on and so forth. But look, y'all, in this video, what I'll be doing is I'll be making some orders for my clothing brand using the heat press, Cricut machine. You got the blanks right here, and these right here, I'll be using it to make some orders for my clothing brand, as I said. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video, see the step-by-step process on how I make orders, how I drop it off to the people and make my profit, man. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do is turn on the heat press, turn on your Cricut maker, and that's how you'll begin starting to, you know, prepare all the equipment and stuff like that. I do have my laptop over here. We have Cricut Design Space. I know a lot of people have asked me before, how do you get Cricut Design Space on your laptop? You do have to buy one of their machines to get the software, so I'm gonna let y'all know that now, because I have got a lot of those questions. But as y'all can see here, I already have my mat set up. Like I said, I almost forgot about y'all, man. I almost forgot about y'all, but I remembered, and we finna get to cutting the vinyl. Also, if you're looking to find out where you can get vinyl from, I recommend Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is where I get my puff vinyl from. Have been getting a lot of DMs about that also. So with that being said, we are gonna come over here. All right, like I said, I already set up the mat, so the mat is ready. All I have to do is inject it into the machine itself. Just in case people may have questions about this, what I use is premium vinyl permanent glossy, and then I put the pressure on more. And once that's done, come over here, so click the little arrow button up there, make sure everything is flat. And then we're gonna let this do what it do. Click the arrow again. We'll click this. Well, now first you're gonna click this one, and then after that you're gonna click this one. Yeah, we're gonna let it do what it do. And look, I already have the shirt ready. I already folded it in half. If you have watched me before, you know that that's what I always like to do with garments. It's folded in half, heat press it for 10 seconds just to get an even line. So now putting the design on here will be way easier than me trying to figure out where's the middle and is it too far to the right, too far to the left. So get you a line. From there, you can use your ruler, measure everything out, and then you'll have a way more precise press. So this is the ruler that I'll be using for this. Get this ruler anywhere, you know, Walmart, Amazon, etc. Hopefully I've been enjoying the content lately. There's been a lot of new stuff that's coming out. I just got some shades. I did a video on that also, so y'all should see that one before this one, if I'm not mistaken. And also, I just got all the files done for my graphic designer. Also, if you're looking for a graphic designer for your clothing brand, hit me up in my DMs. Comment down, no, I wouldn't say comment down below. Hit my IG at al.wavy. I'll send you personally my graphic designer. I'll send you my graphic designer since I started. The person that created this right here, he created this one right here. Also, it's a couple more things that he has done for me, but I haven't released it yet. So he's a great graphic designer. Been working with him ever since I started. So with that being said, if you are looking for one, like I said, hit me up on IG at al.wavy, and I'll personally send you my graphic designer. But we're gonna wait for this to finish, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all. So I do have 3 joggers to make as well. So with that being said, what I'm gonna do right now is, since I do have my little sister with me, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some vinyl out, show y'all how to cut vinyl, how to save vinyl, and get some precise cuts with the Cricut Maker. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here, we're gonna grab the Cricut mat, I mean not the Cricut mat, the Cricut cutter, vinyl cutter. This came with the machine that I bought, so you know, in case somebody do ask where you got it from, you can go on the website and buy it from them. I don't know how much it costs. So what I like to do is, for example, what the logo that I'm cutting is going to be 4.5 by 4.5. So what I like to do is I like to add an extra 1/2 inch. So we're going to do is 5 by 5. We're going to pull the vinyl to where it says 5 at, and then cut it. Same thing in the middle where it says 5, and then cut it 5, and then cut it. I'm gonna bring it one more time because I do need 3, but since I do have extra joggers, I'm probably gonna make some joggers for myself also, since it is getting cold outside. 5, cut it, and then 5. We got 4, 5 by 5. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weed these out, and we're gonna put on the shirt, man. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to fold this in half just to make sure that everything will be even. Don't fold it in half all the way, because then you will have a line in your vinyl. You don't want that. Alright, so with that being said, alright, so pretty much what I like to do is like to measure 3 inches from the collar down into the words, just so, and I know this is for a female, so females I like to usually put it a little bit lower just because of their body composure and everything like that. So y'all see how it's 3, so I'm gonna move it down a little bit more because I do have a cross also. So put this right here. Alright, so since the word's gonna go on top of the cross, I'm gonna heat press the cross first and then the words. Make sure everything is even. Measure this to the side. That's 2.5 inches. From this side to this side. Let's do that again. So 2.5. So yeah. So we're gonna remove.
¿Dónde estás? Oh, está en tu cuarto.
Yeah.
Si pido pizza vas a comer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna Pizza Hut now?
Okay.
Why don't you eat Little Caesars no more?
It's nasty to me. 5, 6, bro, what's going on? So now we're going 6. Okay, 6. Alright, now I do recommend everyone to get a mini Cricut heat press. Or if you got an iron. Personally, I have never used an iron, so don't quote me on that. I like the Cricut heat press more in a sense because it heats up way faster and it's more precise in my opinion, since it's not that big. You know, irons are usually 2 times bigger than this. So What we're gonna use it for is at times when the puff vinyl doesn't correctly get heat press. You know, this is a big heat press, so sometimes, as y'all can see right here, y'all can see this right here, it's not heat pressed correctly. Y'all see how everything else is black, and then we have this one that is like, you can just see the difference. You know what I'm saying? I don't really gotta explain it, but we're gonna have to fix this just because the words are not on there correctly all the way. So I'm gonna wait for this mini heat press to heat up, and then we're gonna press it so we can fix that. And then I'm gonna show y'all the finishing results. I still gotta put the DHS logo on the back. So yeah, y'all. Oh, it's done. You heard that noise? Time to get busy. Alright, so we're gonna bring that over here. I'm just gonna slowly press it on there. As y'all can see, it's evened out now. And there's no... So now, as we take it off, as y'all can see, puff vinyl. The puff vinyl. Alright y'all, so look, I just finished the shirt. Finished putting the logo on the back. Now we finna get on to the joggers. So I'm finna go ahead and inject this. Let the Cricut maker do what it do. Let me show y'all the back. What I just put on there, so y'all can see. So it's pretty much the DHS logo that I put on the back. And now we're gonna pretty much put the same logo, but in white on the joggers. And yeah, man. See y'all next clip. Alright, YouTube. So I did make some joggers, but unfortunately I did mess up on them. It's crazy because on camera they look good, but in person you can tell that they're very wrinkled. The puff vinyl is very wrinkled. It's not even puff vinyl for real. Oh, there we go. Y'all can see it now. So, like I said, it still looks good at a distance, but I take a lot of pride in the clothes that I make. And this is why I low-key wants to stop using the heat press, because sometimes you don't get the best press, since, you know, the garments be having pockets and stuff like that, and that messes up with the press itself. So yeah, man, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish this video early. I have one of my family members sleeping next door, and like I said, while doing this, the heat press is very loud. So with that being said, I don't wanna be too loud for them. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up wrapping up the shirt, go drop it off to the person, and then from there, y'all have witnessed me make a shirt in my room, go drop it off to the person, and I'm most likely gonna record the payment hitting my phone also. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Video, man. Everybody else, you know, stay safe out here. DHS is out. All right, y'all, so look, it is kind of dark outside. I finished kind of late, but as y'all can see, I got the shirt, came to drop it off to the individual. Yeah, she kind of shy, so I'm not finna put her on camera. You know what I'm saying? However, I am gonna record me giving her the shirt, just so y'all understand, like, y'all can do this too, man. It's really simple. Here you go, ma'am. There we go. But yeah, man, that's how simple it is. So that being said, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all stay tuned for the next videos, man. Y'all traders, y'all keep attacking these markets, and everybody else, y'all stay safe.